Yes, I. Okay. Here it is, here it is. You can take the island man off the island, but you can't take the island out to the island man, right? Yeah, there it is, there it is. Let me write that one down. 1, 2, 3. So that's kind of explain who I is, in a nutshell. Is I an island man, born and raised in the Caribbean. They say in Jamaica, born and grew up, but I'm from down island, right? From St. Thomas, a nice island in the Caribbean. And that's why I talk this way. When I'm stateside, everybody just call me the white Jamaican man, so whatever. And the thing is I's an island man true and true. Even though me mother from California, me father from Germany. Tell Volkswagen they should know about that, watch the commercial, right? Super Bowl and all them thing, right? But here it be the thing, right? You can take the island man off the island, but you can't take the island out of the man. And it be so true, and it be true and true for all over the place, no matter where you is from, right? That your roots be solid, right? Your roots be solid thing, right? And so, that reminds me of a next thing, right? I remember from growing up on the island. It's called Al-A-You, right? This be a good island term, right? When you call to somebody, you say, a group of people, refer to a group of people, right? Be like, Al-A-You, come back here now, right? Al-A-You, come back here now, right? So that means all of you over there, come back over here, and for some reason, right? But Al-A-You could be a good island phrase. I love that one. Yo, Al-A-You, right? Love that one. Talking about the islands bring out a whole heap of thing when I talk about it, right? So, this be a true and true concept. Wherever you go and whoever you is, right, is you can take the island out of the man, but you can't take the man. You can take the island off, the man off the island, but you can't take the island out of the man, right? And so that is the way I is, and that's why I still talk this way, even though I live up stateside for years and years now, right? And that's why the contrast so strong. Know what I mean? Okay. Later. Keep it safe.